Hey everyone, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today I'm diving into the Honeywell Home T9 Smart Thermostat, a game changer for keeping your home comfy and energy efficient. If you're looking for a smart way to control your home's temperature, stick around because this one's packed with features. Let's break it down and see if it's right for you. First up, let's talk about what makes the Honeywell T9 stand out. This is a dual-band Wi-Fi thermostat, so it connects to both 2.4 and 5 GHz networks for a super reliable connection. The star of the show is the smart room sensors, which have a 200-foot range. These sensors let you monitor and adjust temperatures in specific rooms, so no more hot or cold spots in your house. You can control everything from the touchscreen display or through the Honeywell Home app, and it works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and even IFTTT for ultimate smart home integration. Plus, it's Energy Star certified, which means it's designed to help you save on energy bills. Now let's get into the pros. The T9 is easy to install and set up even if you're not a tech wizard. Customers love how it keeps temperatures consistent across the house, thanks to those smart sensors. The app is user-friendly, letting you tweak settings from anywhere. Perfect if you want to warm up the house before you get home. And with geofencing, the T9 can automatically adjust based on your location. For larger homes with uneven temperatures, this thermostat is a lifesaver. But no product's perfect, so let's talk cons. The T9's design is sleek but narrow, so it might not cover old thermostat holes, and there's no backplate included. It doesn't control humidity, which could be a bummer if that's a priority. Also, you have to choose between scheduling or geofencing. You can't use both at once. And while it's packed with features, some folks wish it had a built-in motion sensor or automatic learning like some competitors. So, should you buy the Honeywell T9? I'd say yes if you want a reliable, easy-to-use smart thermostat that's great for larger homes or spaces with temperature swings. The smart sensors and app control make it a solid choice for anyone who loves convenience and wants to save on energy costs. It's not the cheapest option out there, but the features and performance make it worth considering. If you're ready to check it out, head to the Amazon link in the description below to grab the Honeywell T9 at the best price, plus any special deals we've got through Rick's Review Hub. Clicking that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, so thank you. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, or hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.